such a huge convenience if you are to have such devices available. Just do monitoring. More often than not, you save 10% already. Kasi awareness lang, then kita mo na kagad yung yung savings. Kasi
Right.
sasabihin mo, teka muna, yung opisina ko, dapat 22 degrees or higher. Then people are aware na ano ba feel ng 22? Ang 22 ba pinapawisan ako? Hindi. 22 is very comfortable. In fact, it's a bit cool already. Yeah. But then if you don't know how 22 degrees feels like, and if there is a boss who will insist, gusto ko mas mababa, how will you tell the boss? Diba? So before the awareness, you have to do the proper monitoring. Na alam mo, may feel ka, then it becomes a habit. Sabi nga nila even if it becomes a habit, if you don't do consistent monitoring, you get
Yeah.
you go back to the bad habit. There's a DOE requirement. So wala kang choice. Dapat
Mm-mm.
sumunod ka. Yun.